All right, folks, we're going to talk about why I'm a fraud. So, I posted the install of this plumbing job on a Facebook group. Pool Plumbing Mafia. Pool Plumbing Mafia on Facebook annihilated me after I posted a picture, just a picture of this. I did not use a threaded heat temperature union in front of the pump. And why am I using a check valve to prevent DE from coming in to the filter? I'll tell you what, you got me there. Okay? You got me there. Super embarrassing. I made a mistake, I guess. I just, these are the, yeah, in Atlantic City I learned. Heat temperature unions in front of the pump. That's what I had. They say that the check valve, that the DE will not, as long as it's pressurized, DE won't come back in. But obviously when you take the pressure out, it still will. So I don't see why adding a check valve is such a major issue, but I don't know. Just off a picture. So the purpose of this video, I guess, is to no, no, I forgot to turn the van back on with the heat too. I have a lot of fun doing these YouTube videos, and I understand that there's going to be criticism that comes along with it. It's okay. I'm going to put a liner in here today, and I'm going to kind of forget about all that stuff. Talk to the office and see if it's really a big deal or not. And if it is, we'll change it, whatever. But obviously, I deleted that post off of Pool Plumbing Mafia on Facebook. I left the group. I left with my tail between my legs, and now I'm feeling defeated, and I'm feeling that I don't want to do the channel right now, is what I'm feeling like, and which is unfortunate because the channel has a range of emotions. I enjoy the channel. The truth of the matter is, the statistics say that my channel won't grow pretty much any further than where it is right now with the type of channel that it is. But what I'm saying is, I'm gonna start getting to work, and I'm gonna forget about all that, and we're gonna put this liner in, and that's about it.